Hello and welcome to the project demonstration video of Machine Learning UI Explorer, a project by Team TechIQ. It is a no-code machine learning platform that lets you build your own ML model without writing a single line of code. The first step is to load your dataset. You can do that by choosing a predefined dataset or by uploading your own dataset in a CSV file. Once that is done, you can select the label class that you want to predict, which is species in our case, and you can also select irrelevant ID columns to drop, such as ID. Now, due to computational limitation, we'll select the number of rows to be 400 and sanitize the data. The next step would be to visualize and encode the given data. There are three modes of encoding available: encode the whole dataset, encode labels, or skip encoding. We'll just encode the label right now. As you can see, the label is now encoded and you can see other information about the dataset here. The next step would include train test split of the data. We can choose 80 to 20% of train test split with 42 seed and true shuffle. As you can see, the data has been split into train and test. If you're not happy with the split, you can reset the split and go back to home. Now the next step is to choose an algorithm for your model. You can choose from a variety of algorithms, from classification, regression, and even neural networks. For this specific case, we'll use decision tree classifier. Now you can set the hyperparameters of all the classifiers, such as max depth with this information and max leaf node with this information. We'll set the max depth to 3 and max leaf nodes to 4. Now we can see that our model is built with those hyperparameters. And now it is time to evaluate our model. The model is evaluated on train and test score along with the confusion matrix for your specified algorithm. We have achieved 100% test score with 95% of train score. Now the model is ready and you can test it by predicting your own values. Just fill in the expected values into the columns and click submit. Now as you can see, the model has predicted class 0 with 100% confidence. This means that the class that initially was at the 0th index was predicted with this output at 100% confidence. Finally, you can download the model and use it in your own projects externally. This step gives you an option to download the pickle file for your own usage. And as you can see, the pickle file has been saved on our computer. So this was it. This is how you can build your own machine learning model using the Machine Learning UI Explorer without writing a single line of code. Thank you.